A woman is behind bars after an 81-year-old woman is carjacked outside the Somerset collection. Troy police say a 29-year-old Warren woman was arrested. Police say outside Somerset this morning, the woman dragged an 81-year-old woman out of her car and then drove off in it. Warren police later found the car and found the woman, arrested her, and fortunately, the 81-year-old woman was not hurt. Over the weekend, the FDA granted an emergency use authorization for the antibody cocktail produced by Regeneron.
The treatment attracted a lot of attention after President Trump received it, and just last week, HUD Secretary Dr. Ben Carson said it was also critical in his recovery.
But the authorization does not mean this treatment will now be widely available. Dr. Frank McGeorge here to explain why. Doc?
Yeah, Kim and Devin. So you'll recall a similar treatment from Eli Lilly also recently received an emergency use authorization. Many experts had hoped antibody treatments could serve as a bridge to help us save lives while we waited for a vaccine to be developed. It hasn't worked out that way, at least not yet. Two antibody treatments now cleared for emergency use. Regeneron and Eli Lilly say their antibodies made in the lab mimic the way the immune system naturally fights infection, helping clear the virus faster and reducing symptoms.
This antibody blocks that sort of infective nature of the virus by not allowing it to get into cells where it can replicate and, infect patients.
What's not clear is how to best get these drugs to the patients who can benefit most, those newly infected.
We have shown that it works best in the patients who have not yet made their own immune response against the virus.
Regeneron is authorized for people who are at high risk for complications but aren't yet sick enough to require oxygen or hospitalization. But here's the catch. The drug needs to be infused in a hospital or similar setting. Eli Lilly's cocktail has the same requirement.
So a nurse or a doctor will need to give the patient this via IV. It's a relatively short infusion, but then patients will need to be monitored for about an hour after the infusion.
There are also limited doses. Lilly says it's shipping 88,000 doses now, another 800,000 in December. Regeneron says it will have enough of its drug for 80,000 people by the end of November, with enough for 200,000 patients by the first week of January. Now, for some perspective on the number of doses available, right now, Regeneron and Eli Lilly combined do not even have enough doses to cover the number of people being diagnosed with COVID each day in the United States. Now, obviously, this drug is not for everyone, but that tells you how limited the supply truly is right now.
So what about plans then to get this to the patients who could benefit from it the most?
Well, Devin, the federal government plans to work with states to determine where these drugs need to go. But I can tell you as an emergency physician who would most likely be one of those to help identify patients who would benefit from this, I have not yet seen a protocol to really make that happen effectively yet. Hopefully, it'll be worked out quickly, though.
Yeah, well, let's hope so.